Hi friends! Today is the first day of ESY and we are going to get started with our very first daily activity. So what you're going to need is your red folder and a glue stick, which should be in your bag of materials. So in your red folder, there is a bag that says Monday. Inside this bag, you may have just the craft or you may have a craft and independent learning activities. The independent activities you can do at a later time, but you can follow along with this video to work on the craft. So inside your bag, you should have everything put together. And you have a large piece of paper, which is white. You should have 4 red strips. 1, 2 that are short, and 1, 2 that are long. See, we have 2 short and 2 long. Then you should have 1 blue, what shape? A rectangle. Good. Now, if, depending on your child, you can just go ahead and start gluing to make the shape of the flag. Or if your child needs a little bit more support, you can go ahead and take a pen or a pencil and kind of map it out for them following this guide. And then they can match the colors to the color words. But if your kiddo is good to go, you can start by taking your blue rectangle. And remember, when we use our glue, it's just a dot, not a lot. So we're going to put how many dots of glue? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to flip it over and put it all the way in the corner so that the edges touch, so that there's no spaces on the edge of the corners. Next, we're going to make a pattern. We're going to do red, white, red, white, red, white, red, white. So first, I need a short piece. Find the short piece. Once we find the short piece, we're going to do 2 dots. Remember, just a dot, not a lot. We're going to do the same thing. Put it so the edge of the paper and the edge of the strip meet. So we have a red stripe, then we have a white stripe. We're going to leave that. Then we're going to put, what color? Red. Good. We need 1 short piece. Find the short piece. And we're going to put just a dot, not a lot. So if we have red, white, what color is this one going to be? Good, we need 1 long red. And we're going to do 3 dots. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. Good job. And we're going to glue that down. And then we leave white. So we have red, white, red, white, red. Good. Our last long piece, how many dots? 3. Count for me. And we will glue that on. And again, if your child is good to go without the written lines, you're free to do that. Or if your child needs a little bit more support, then go ahead and just make those lines. Last, I have a row of stickers. We're not going to get particular about where the stickers go. The thing is, these are a little tough, especially with the stars. They might rip. So if your child needs a little bit more of that fine motor support, go ahead and take the sticker off for them. but I would rather them place the sticker on the page by themselves. So again, you're gonna modify the level of modification or assistance based on your child's needs. And what you can do if your child needs additional math practice, you can count the stars as you put them on. You can say, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stars. I'm going to add one more. How many is that? So you can work math in throughout this activity as well, in addition to the patterns and measuring size, short and long. And once you're all done, you have an American flag. And if your child needs additional practice, I mean, we're not in school to identify whose project is whose, but they can turn it over and write their name on the back to get that additional name practice in. Another good thing about art projects and crafts, what I like to use them for is something we call manding, which is requesting items. So if your child kind of struggles with identifying missing parts or what they need or asking for what they need, this is a good way to prompt them. So like if they need a star, you're holding the star and they say star, you can hand it to them, they can put it on. So it's kind of built in for them to identify missing parts and to ask for what they need. If you have any questions, please feel free to text, email, call, and I can help you. So good luck. I can't wait to see your American flags.